Alright guys, it's December 1st and we've had nights for the past couple weeks into the 20s and some pretty hard freezes. Our strawberry bed is ready to be put to bed for the winter. What we're going to do is trim all these down and we're going to put some straw in here. Why don't you come along and watch. Okay, so this is our first year with this strawberry patch, and I let it get quite a few runners so it could start to develop new plants. I only originated with about 8 or 10, and so they have set down root in a whole bunch of areas here. What I'm going to do is pick a plant and start working out from there. All right, we got runners setting root. I'm going to clip those runners off. Now, I don't want it to wake up in the spring and that mother plant not have enough energy because it's still feeding the baby plant. So I'm cutting out all of those runners. Now, on most of these, I'm trying to leave a little bit of, leaves that are near the crown. It's a little bit more protection. I'm going to have straw in it, so I think they're going to be okay. Cut all my runners so they can stop sucking the life out of the mother plant. And I had trained some of these runners to come to the center to fill the center out more. Just raking my fingers along the edge of the top of the soil, and that's how I'm finding the runners. Your fingers will get caught on them, and then there you go. There's one thing really great about this bed. It gets really warm when it's nice out, when the temperatures are warm out. I'm scared it's gonna get a little too cold. So I hope that this galvanized bed is gonna be a good choice for these. I'm not sure how that's gonna work out. Now, I know some people, they will literally just mow over their strawberry patch at the end of the season. I let these keep going. These are ever-bearing, and they had strawberries up until, I'd say, a month ago was the last time we really pulled very many strawberries off of these. I'll pull that one. I'm trying to give them some space here, pulling the weaker ones so that the stronger ones have more room to grow. Okay, a quick recap. Let your plants go dormant before you do this. A couple good freezes. Cut the many runners off and pull out the little plants to leave space for the big ones so they have a lot of room to grow. Cut all your excess leaves off and just leave the little bit around the crown to protect the crown a little bit. And next up, we still need to put some mulch down. Okay, so you can see that we cut all the tall foliage off for the most part and left the little foliages around the crowns. These are the sensitive stuff. It's already starting to build up for next year. Okay, so this spring I planted 10 strawberry plants in here, and we now have 39 solid strawberry plants. So hopefully most of those make it through the winter, and next year we're gonna have a heck of a lot of strawberries. Please subscribe and like if you like the videos we've been making. We got our straw now, and we're just gonna tuck around all of our sweet little plants here. I'm really putting it around these edges because I am kind of worried about how that metal is gonna react. It's gonna get really cold and maybe hurt these little plants around the edges. What do you think, huh, Jeffy? Think I'm doing a good job? Huh? I'm literally gonna fill this bed with the straw. And then next year we can easily pull the straw out, let some of it in there just to stay as a mulch throughout the whole year. And the little strawberries, it'd be easier if the strawberries are resting on top of the straw anyway. They won't rot. Making sure I'm covering any of that foliage that I did leave on there.
Really good. Oh, thank you for helping. Thank you for helping. You're such a sweet sheep. You're a good girl. All right, guys, there we go. We have our strawberries all tucked in for winter. Thank you for watching Garden and Grease. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe and like. Have a good one.